So I thought we'd jump on and do a quick review. The Koorfly KF M01 wireless lavalier microphone set. I purchased these with own money, so Koorfly are not sponsoring this in any way. Normally I don't do reviews for microphones if they're budget friendly or sort of low end cost wireless microphones, because most of the ones I've had in the past have been quite crap. They've been tinny. They're not very good. However, I will say with these, I was quite impressed. A bit skeptical, as you do. But I was quite impressed with these. Now, obviously, I tried these earlier, and again, I was quite impressed with them. So, what you get in the box, you get your carry case in the box. Specifications are on the back if you want to pause that and read it. So that's that. So what you get in is your carry case. You get your instruction manual. You get your USB to Type C charging cable. You also get a USB Type C to Lightning port connector. In here, those are normally in there. That comes in there. You've got two lanyards, and you've got two magnetic discs that you attach to the lanyards, and then you attach your microphones to that. I'll show you that in a minute. But so you get one in here. You get one transmitter, USB Type C, and then you've got your adapter for iPhone. These are for Android. Also, you can use it with PC. Now, this doesn't come with it, but you can buy these readily anyway. They're just USB Type C to USB adapters that will allow you to connect it to your computer. So you can charge them independently, or you can charge them from back here. These should be fully charged because I charged them not long ago. Yeah, so you can charge them. I do believe you can charge them independently. We'll see. Yes, you can charge them independently. You get your charge light, your link light, your mute, but your mute icon, and also your I guess that's a signal to say that they're connected. So yeah, those come apart as well again, so you can attach that to the magnetic disc inside there, and these just sit on your on your uh on your lapel. So I'll put that on now, and well, actually, fact, I won't, because I'll switch it on. Let me connect this up to the computer, and then I'll switch over to this microphone once I've connected it up. Let me just make sure it's switched on. Yeah, so I'll switch over to it now. And now this should be the Koorfly. No, I forgot. KF. Is it? Yeah, KF M01. Yeah. I was quite impressed with these on what the audio playback was like. Now, normally, as I said, you've got your microphone at the top here, your little power button on the side. Normally, when you buy the 2.4 gigahertz wireless lavalier microphones, they're not very good. I've bought quite a few. Again, you get what you pay for, and you buy cheap, you buy twice. But these, I've seen quite a few reviews on them, and I thought, I'll give it a go. Bit skeptical, but I'll give it a go. And I got to be honest with you, I'm quite impressed with the audio playback of these. So if you're thinking about getting a cheap, budget-friendly set, give these a shot. Now, what I will say to Koorfly, they give you two receivers and one transmitter. I would probably suggest, because you're going to supply two of these, supply two receivers. That way, I would prefer to have one at home, and one if I'm obviously, going out to do any recording, any video and stuff like that. Because you get two of these, but they only give you one transmitter. You can probably buy them, I expect. I haven't checked, so yeah, maybe. But again, Koorfly, if you're watching this, maybe give an option to supply two transmitters as well as two receivers. But yeah, so just a quick one. But yeah, I was quite impressed with these. I'm not sure what the distance is, because I've really got them for a distance. Really, I'm not going to be testing them. I probably will test them on a mobile phone. But the reason why I got these is because sometimes I've got the microphone up here, and but I sometimes I just prefer to have one on me lapel. So yeah, just a quick one. Grab a set of these and see what you think. All right, thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye now.